Hello and welcome to Aisha's Blunt Biblical Advice. Please like, comment and share. So today's theme is taken from Jeremiah 17:7. Happy is the man who puts his trust in Jehovah. Who do you put your trust in? Do you put your trust in Jehovah? Do you rely on him in everything? And do you have confidence that Jehovah will take care of matters? If that is so, you should always trust in your Creator, because he knows what is good for you and because he cares for your needs. Yes, do not put your trust in mortals or mortal man. Always put your trust in the grand Creator, Jehovah of armies, and surely it shall go well with you. So I hope this little piece of advice will go a long way to make somebody smile. Until then, it's a goodbye from me to you. Bye.